Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are excited to show you these two premium indicators in TradingView that have been proven to help you maximize your profits and boost your trading capital. In this fast-paced and ever-evolving financial market, having the right tools at your disposal is very important. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting your trading journey, these two premium indicators are essential tools that can help you achieve your financial goals. With their combined power, you can unlock your full trading potential and take your trading profits to new heights. Now, if you are interested in learning more about advanced concepts, strategies, entry reasons, and how to stay disciplined with a trading plan, please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to TradingView.com for you to read the charts and to enter your trades. As you can see, we are open to the price of the British pound with the Japanese yen currency pair and on the 3-minute time frame. Now, the first indicator is this tool called the Peaceful Trader Indicator, and to add this indicator to our chart, you're going to click on the Indicators tab over here. And because this indicator is a premium indicator, when you search for it on this search tab, you cannot see it. But the owner of the indicator has given me access to the indicator, so I will come down to this invite-only script. As you can see, this peaceful indicator created by this guy is the first indicator. You're going to click on it to add the indicator to the chart. So if you want to have access to the indicator, I will leave a link in the description below for you to connect with the creator of the indicator. Now that you have added the indicator to the chart, let's go ahead and explain how the indicator works. Now, this indicator was created to help you identify trend direction and the movement of the price of the asset, with the sight to spot trade entries and then provide trade entry signals. And that's why it has many features. This right here is the special moving average that is designed to help you to easily identify the highs and the lows of the price movement. This is the absolute support and resistance that helps you to know the extreme point the price has reached. This key levels will help you to know where the price could possibly swipe out liquidity and then reverse from. This is the sensitive moving average of the indicator that you will be using to enter most of your trades. And finally, the buy and the sell signal from the indicator. So this indicator offers varieties of features that can help you to easily spot high probability trade entries. For example, here on the chart, you can see that the price has been trading below this special moving average, showing you that the sellers has been dominant here. But when the price reversed at this point, it crossed above the sensitive moving average and the special moving average. And the indicator gave you a buy signal to enter a long trade, giving you more confirmation to the signal. And then you will place a long trade at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss just below the special moving average, and extend your profit target to a 5:1 risk to reward ratio. Now, you can see that when you get a confluence signal like this, given by this indicator, you can generate a more productive winning trade. Now, when you go to the setting of the indicator, here on the input section, the resolution is set to the daily time frame for the day trader by default. But if you are a swing trader, you can change it to the weekly time frame, according to your strategy, which is also pretty cool. Then on the style section, you can uncheck anything you don't want to use to get the perfect signal from the indicator. But here, I'm going to leave it to their default setting, and then you will click OK. Here is another example, but a selling opportunity. We are still trading on the price of the British pound with the Japanese yen currency pair. Now, you can see that the price came up to this point, but there was not enough momentum for the price to continue trending up. So it formed this little consolidation before it reversed with this big momentum candle. And then you got a sell signal from the Peaceful Trader Indicator. And the price crossed below the sensitive moving average of the indicator. And it is also below the special moving average, giving you a more confluence traits and confirming your directional bias. And then you will enter a short trade at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss just at this high, and extend your profit target to a 4.6 risk to reward ratio. Now, this indicator works very well when you combine all the entry criteria that is provided by this indicator, making it one of the best indicators out there. So if you want to have access to the indicator, I will leave a link in the description below for you to connect with the creator of the indicator. Now, let's move on to the second indicator. Here on the chart, you can see that we are trading on the price of euro with the US dollar currency pair, and on the same 3-minute time frame. Now, these two premium indicators works perfectly well on all the time frames. Now, to add the second indicator, we will go to this Indicators tab again, and then go to Invite Only Script. Then you will click on this PFT indicator to add the indicator to the chart. Now let's go ahead and explain how the indicator works. This indicator is more like the RSI indicator, but it measures the volume of the market participant, using these red and green bands, and then shows you the dominant trend direction, so that you can have a more quality trade entries. The setting of the indicator doesn't have much things to change, so we will leave it to its default settings. Here on the chart, you can see that the price was trending in the upward direction. And the PFT indicator was also showing that you have more buyers in the market. But when the price reversed from here and started trending down, the PFT indicator gave you this signal to enter a short trade because there was a shift in volume of buyers to sellers. And you could have placed a short trade at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss just at this high, and extend your profit target to a 4:1 risk to reward ratio. Now, to put extra confirmation to this signal, you are going to add the Peaceful Trader indicator to the chart, which is the first indicator. So now, go to the Indicators tab again, and then go to Invite Only Script. Then you will click on this Peaceful Trader indicator. Now, you can see that this bearish candle had almost closed below the green band of the special moving average, and the sensitive moving average had also changed to red, indicating the continuation of the price in the downward direction, and this gave you an early entry into the market. You can see that the Peaceful Trader indicator also gave you another sell signal here, which is another opportunity to stack up your trades and lock in more profits. And all of this puts more confirmation to this short trade here. Now, you can see the accuracy of the signals that is provided by the PFT indicator and the Peaceful Trader indicator. Now, both of these two premium indicators cost around $60 for a lifetime access. So, don't wait any longer. Join the groups of successful traders who have already experienced the benefits of these two indicators. Just click the link in the description and start maximizing your profits and boosting your trading capital today with these two premium indicators. If you're interested in learning more about advanced concepts, strategies, entry reasons, and how to stay disciplined with the trading plan, please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.